Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. I greet you according to your time and according to the time you are seeing this video. How are you doing? I hope you are good. We are still on the matter from the palace of Oni of Ife, my correct people. It don't dey happen again for palace of Ile-Ife kingdom. You see all this time that Oni of Ife said that the Oloris are going to leave the palace. All of them, they want to fix themselves for that palace. None of them want to leave the palace. In short, as I'm talking to you right now, since that time till now, there have been a case of 3 jujus in the palace of Ile-Ife. And all of them is in Ooni of Ife's room. That is to tell you that they don't want to leave. Case of 3 cases of issue. La how are they? La how are they too much for palace of Ile-Ife? Short, allegedly, as we don dey hear say, the other time Ooni of Ife brought out one pot of juju like that and was calling a Ifa priest to come and see it. They said that Queen Naomi was also called and Queen Naomi came and Queen Naomi prayed and scattered that and broke the pot of juju. Allegedly, you don't forget that it's an alleged information. Secondly, they caught a guard. A guard was dressing in your first room and he was caught putting juju under Ooni of Ife's pillow. And when they asked him, he said that it was an Olori. When the Olori came and they asked the Olori started saying that it's not juju, that it is alligator pepper. That he just brought the alligator pepper so that it will be protecting Ooni of Ife. That it's not juju. As if that was not enough. Ooni of Ife asked the Olori, why would you bring the alligator pepper and give it to a guard to keep, to put for my house, to put under my pillow? And he said that that alligator pepper, that Ooni of Ife would, if she gives it to Ooni of Ife, Ooni may not accept it from her, or Ooni may not even use it. So he wants it, that Ooni of Ife will not be wearing the protective charm to bed. That is why he put that, he gave the guard alligator pepper to put for Ooni of Ife. And the guard was begging. And they said that Ooni of Ife forgave him. And the Oloris, I don't know the particular Oloris where did that thing. So, as if that was not enough, we now hear again that Olori Mariam was also caught putting a juju under Ooni of Ife's bed. This one no be pillow again. I say no be under pillow again this time around. Na under bed though, they caught Olori Mariam putting juju. And when Ooni of Ife ask her, she come talk say that it's not a harmful one. That the juju, okay, she was saying that the juju is that she want to use it to, maybe when Ooni of Ife was serious now, asking her why would you put this thing, they said that the juju is for Ooni of Ife not to reason, as in remember talking about them leaving the palace, that they don't want to leave, she particularly, that she don't want to leave the palace, that how can she be pregnant for the king and she will just leave the palace, like seriously, that she don't want to leave the palace. All of that thing is just to make Ooni of Ife to turn against Queen Naomi and leave them in the palace. You know that this is what they used to do. That is what they used to do before. That Ooni of Ife should forget about Queen Naomi. It's them that want to come, that will come to the palace. That they don't want to leave the palace. In short, they want to stay there. That thing when they put under Ooni of Ife's bed is that if Ooni of Ife sleep there for 7 good days, that Ooni of Ife will forget about Queen Naomi and will concentrate on them, and everything will just be normal again, like say nothing happened. Even if Ademiji continue to go after Queen Naomi, the Kabiyesi will not even think about it again. As in, he will just forget about anything that concerns Queen Naomi. And that is what they have been doing that made Queen Naomi to stay outside the palace for that 2 years and that she have stayed outside the palace. That they are the one that caused it. They used to put something, they used to give Ooni of Ife something that will make him to forget about Queen Naomi. Ooni of Ife will not stop loving Queen Naomi. It will not make him to stop loving Queen Naomi. That they find out that Ooni of Ife love Queen Naomi so much. And the Queen Naomi is spoiling things for them. Because if not that Ooni of Ife is showing love to Queen Naomi like that, if Queen Naomi is also at the palace, Kabiyesi will not have their time, not even one bit. So that is why they used to do the things they do to remain in the palace. You all know that these people, these Oloris, when they came into the palace, they did not come just the way Queen Naomi came. I know that they were married though, but they will not come the same way Queen Naomi came. They have something that brought them inside that palace. Like this juju that they are talking about right now. I know that some of them, short, will I say some of them? The majority of all of them short. Apart from our Dr. Elizabeth, because we heard that Dr. Elizabeth said it had been long Ooni of Ife paid her bride price, but she did not come back to the palace. This other Oloris, hey, now something carry them inside that palace, and now something go to maintain them inside the palace. And that is why they thought that thing that have been maintaining them will continue to maintain them to be in the palace. They don't know that everything have expiry date. That thing wey dey maintain them don expire. There is no how Kabiyesi will allow them to continue to stay in the palace while Queen Naomi is outside the palace. Not even now that all of this thing is happening. So they thought that their Akaya matter will continue to work. Now they are bringing another one. Just imagine. How many days now Ooni of Ife talked about them leaving the palace? They don't find out 3 jujus. The one Ooni of Ife saw by himself. You don't even know the one, the person that kept that one. Second one that guard want to put under pillow. And this third one. And this third one again is not only Mariam. Mariam said that they are in collaboration with this, she is in collaboration with somebody. That is her and the Ronke that is planning this one. So it's not only her. That the two of them plan to keep this particular Kaya matter so that it will be making Ooni of Ife to be confused. Ooni of Ife will forget about Queen Naomi completely so that they will continue to be in the palace. That none of them want to leave the palace. Especially now the two of them, Mariam and the Ronke, now them team up to bring this particular one. And the Kabiyesi was like, Jesus, these people these people is mean oh. You are damn mean. Which kind of thing be this one? So my correct people, now say I take the hear am. I know say this kind of a thing will happen. I know that something like this will start happening because they don't want to leave the palace. Who would even want to leave? A place of pleasure, a place of a place where they could answer them sir, ma, as in there are a lot of things to miss in that palace if you leave. So you wouldn't expect them to just be happy and leave. Anyway, don't forget that they are all alleged information, but they must leave, whether they like it or not.